Gemini Spark, Google's 24/7 agent, automation plus permission model. Google launched Gemini Spark, a 24/7 personal AI agent designed to work across connected apps in the background and take action on your behalf under your direction. The real story, the permission model, and how to use always-on agents safely. Google just turned Gemini from a chatbot into something closer to an operator. Gemini Spark is a 24/7 personal AI agent designed to keep working in the background, even when you close your laptop, and the only thing that matters is whether the permission model keeps you in control. A background agent isn't just better answers. It's recurring tasks, triggers, and multi-app workflows. Google is describing Spark as something that can gather updates from Gmail, track events from Calendar, and compile follow UPS into a skimmable plan, and then keep going while you're away. The win and the risk are the same: connected apps. Google says these connections are off by default, and Spark is designed to ask before high-stakes actions like spending money or sending emails. Translation: if you skip setup, you either get a weak agent, or you accidentally grant too much power. Week 1 Lab: use Spark as a triage engine, not an autopilot. Let it build a daily brief, urgent threads, deadlines, and suggested next steps. Then you approve what gets sent. The goal is to remove scanning and formatting work, while you keep the final say on messages and commitments. The reason Spark matters is not that it's the first agent. It's that it's sitting in the highest frequency surfaces, inbox and calendar. If a 24/7 agent is going to win, it wins by living where your day already is. Risk check: always-on agents can overcollect, misunderstand intent, or drift toward doing too much. That's why the control model matters more than the demo. Start with the minimum connected apps, keep confirmations on, and review the agent's daily brief behavior until you trust its patterns. Operator takeaway: treat Spark like a production system. Connect the minimum apps. Keep confirmations on for money and sending. And build a daily review habit, 5 minutes, so the agent stays aligned with your goals instead of silently shifting your workflow.